Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We can apply the formula in here. That's about e to the power of ln equals to a. Capital A, that's about this one in here. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So that should be like this. Now I can put this limits go in here. Now we need to calculate about this limit. So we have the formula in here. ln a to the power of b equals to b ln a. So that means 2s will go in here. Next, I can put about 2s go to the denominator. Now, when s go to positive infinity, this one go to positive infinity, this one go to positive infinity. 4 divided by positive infinity, you got about 0. This one you got about 0. ln of 1 you got about 0. So this is about 0 over 0. So we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So for this one, we will have about 1 minus 4 over s. So we do first derivative of 1 minus 4 over s, and we will have about 4 over s squared. This one, we will have about negative number 2 over 2s, everything to the power of 2. And now, we can put this one go to here. So that should be about 2s squared over number 2. And we have negative in here. So we need to simplify. This is about 4s squared. This one I can write like this. S squared simplified by s squared. 4 divided by 2. Later that we multiply by 4. We have negative 8. Now, when s go to positive infinity, this one we have number 0. So negative number 8 divided by number 1, we have negative 8. So we go back to this one. The limit of this one in here, you will have about e to the power of a with the negative in here. So because we have negative a, so this one they will change for negative a, and this one, that is the value of this limit. So that's the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.